feel it. This is holiday Christmas magic spirit. It is swirling inside.
Like a snow globe.
The Bruce Company here in Middleton. You and your team have worked so hard to make this so beautiful for so many who are going to come in these doors.
That's right. We've all been working for weeks, literally weeks, to get this ready, and it's just our labor of love, our gift to all of you.
Okay, there's so much going on here at the Bruce Company. So first of all, we have to mark our calendars for November 6th because that is the kickoff. It is Ladies' Night Out.
It is Ladies' Night Out, 3 to 6 on that Thursday, and that kicks off our holiday open house, which runs the rest of the weekend.
Lisa can't say this, but I can. Nobody does this in town. No one does this, not to this scope of what the Bruce Company does.
It's an experience. We even capitalize on that by having our tree walk. And so you can wander through, pick your 3 favorite trees. We rank them by voting, and then we randomly pull a winner of a $100 gift card. So that's really fun.
I love it. So you can pull a few of your favorite ladies and come find your favorite trees. The refreshments, the fun that you're going to have,
yes.
And it's free.
It is free. There is a raffle that will benefit Fetch, our charitable partner for this year, but there are lots and lots of prizes, so it's a really great raffle.
Inspiration you will get. You will feel magical. Your heart will feel magical. There is an upside down Christmas tree in here. People, you never know what you're going to find here at the Bruce Company. Thank you for all of your hard work.
Oh, it was a
Truly.
labor of love.
When I walk in here, my heart just seriously melts
Swells.
into a Christmas
No, it
puddle.
smells like the Grinch.
It swells.
3 sizes bigger.
Oh, I like that. Come to Ladies' Night Out November 6th. I'm Emmy Fink, and you're buzzed into
Madison.